If you're wondering how to leverage Oyster's hiring and payroll solutions, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Whether you're managing a global team or looking for a way to simplify hiring and payroll, Oyster's platform can transform your business operations. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to get started with Oyster and how to unlock the best features for your team's success. Plus, I'll share an exclusive offer to get started for free, so make sure to stick around for that. Oyster's hiring and payroll solutions are a game changer for companies that need to manage remote teams and expand globally without the headaches of local compliance, taxes, or legal complexities. The platform streamlines the entire process of hiring and paying employees in different countries, which can be tricky and time-consuming when done manually or with traditional methods. Oyster takes care of all the country-specific details, from contracts to compliance, and ensures that your employees are paid on time, every time. Let's start with the hiring process. With Oyster, you can hire anyone, anywhere. The platform allows you to create legally compliant contracts tailored to the country your employee is based in. No more guessing about labor laws, tax codes, or employee benefits. Oyster handles all of that, giving you peace of mind. You simply create a job post, and Oyster takes care of the legal framework in the background. Once you've hired your team, the real magic happens with Oyster's payroll features. Unlike traditional payroll systems that often require you to learn complex tax rules, Oyster automates everything for you. From calculating taxes to ensuring that your employees receive the correct benefits, the software is designed to make payroll a breeze. It also supports multiple currencies, so whether you're paying employees in the US dollar, euros, or another currency, Oyster ensures they get paid accurately and on time. This saves you countless hours of administrative work and reduces the risk of costly payroll errors. But it doesn't stop there. Oyster also provides full transparency for both employers and employees. You'll have a clear view of your team's payments, contracts, and benefits in real time. Employees can access their own profiles to check their pay stubs, request benefits, and see their work schedules. It's a win-win situation where everyone has the information they need at their fingertips without any back and forth. Another great feature of Oyster is its scalability. Whether you're hiring one person or building a large remote team, Oyster's platform can handle your needs. It grows with your business, so whether you're a startup or an established company, you'll find the tools you need to succeed. Oyster even helps you manage benefits packages, track employee performance, and handle compliance reporting automatically. What sets Oyster apart is its ability to help you navigate global labor markets without worrying about the legal complexities. For example, you can hire employees in multiple countries without needing to set up a local entity or deal with the red tape that usually comes with international hiring. Oyster is your one-stop solution for navigating the complicated world of global employment. Now, before I go, I want to make sure you know that you can start using Oyster completely free through the exclusive offer in the description below. With this extended free trial, you can explore Oyster's powerful features without any risk and start streamlining your hiring and payroll processes right away. If you're ready to simplify your global team management and see how easy Oyster can make it, check out the first link below. Don't miss out on the free trial and the chance to leverage Oyster's hiring and payroll solutions for your business. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to take advantage of the free trial before it expires.